Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x80070003 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to simply restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The second solution is to check the internet speed. For this, open any browser and go to fast.com and click on the refresh button, and it will show you the internet speed. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select check for updates. The next solution is to reset Windows Mail. How would we reset Windows Mail? So search for the Mail app. Click on app settings in the right pane and then scroll down, click on terminate to terminate the process if it's open. Select repair, click on reset and then on reset once again. And don't close this window because it needs a while to update the process. And then last is to update all apps to the Microsoft Store. So open the Microsoft Store, go to the library section on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on get updates. You can update these apps individually, but it's best to click on get updates to update all apps at once. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.